Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to check the bestseller rank of a book. Alright, without wasting much time, we're going to head over to amazon.com now to see a bestseller so that we can calculate the sales that the seller has made. Alright, let's head over to amazon.com. Alright, this is Amazon. Alright, this is the interface of Amazon shop. Alright, now let's search for a book. Alright, let's say diabetes cookbook. Let's say diabetes cookbooks. Alright, let's click on this one. Yeah, this particular one. Alright, so that we can tell the bestseller rank and know how much this book has made so far. It has over 270 ratings and the book is $12.95. Okay, now you scroll down as if you are coming to the edge of this book. There you can see the bestseller rank where the product information is. Alright, we are there now. This is the bestseller rank. This you are seeing here is the bestseller rank. Now this thing that you are seeing here, that you are seeing a hashtag on it, is the bestseller rank. And you know that the lower the bestseller rank, the higher the sales. Alright, this person has 3,298 in books. So with this bestseller rank, we are going to check how much this book has made. And let's copy it now. Then head over to tckpublishing.com. Alright, this is the website's name. Alright, let's go now. We are there now. This is the interface. Alright, let's scroll down. And here we are in the interface of the website. Alright, sorry, that's a quick ad. Alright, remove it from there. Now you now put the BSR here that we just copied from that Amazon book. You remove this comma sign, then you choose the book we saw just now is a paperback, so you choose book, then you click on calculate sales. You can see now that this book makes 61 sales in a day and 910 sales in a month. That is to say that, let's head over to calculator and make a quick calculation. Let's assume the book is $12 times 61. That means this book is making over $700 every day. You can see that it is as simple as that to check the BSR of a book. I hope that this video has been useful to you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I love you.